heavy and light using simple balance.
Hello friends, recognized me? I am Tingu. Today I will take you to Ramu uncle's farm. Hey, what is this? Ramu uncle is sleeping? Friends, Ramu uncle grows vegetables in his farms and sells them. He has grown a lot of vegetables in his farm. Hey, look at this. Seeing Ramu uncle asleep, these vegetables have started playing in his farm. Look, this naughty cabbage has run and climbed onto the scale of Ramu uncle's simple balance. Oh, what is this? The scale has gone down due to the weight of the cabbage. And all the vegetables are running to help him. Let's see, how do they help him? So come on friends, let us understand who is heavy and who is light with the help of a simple balance. Friends, did you see? The scale came down due to the weight of the cabbage. Now whoever can climb on the second scale and bring the cabbage on the first scale to the top will be heavier than the cabbage. Hey, look! The carrot and the 2 peas have jumped up and climbed the second scale. But what is this? The scale of the cabbage has gone up just a little. Looks like these 2 peas and the carrot are lighter than the cabbage. The cabbage is heavier than the 2 peas and carrot. Now the carrot climbed down and the potato has climbed the scale along with 2 peas. Oh, what is this? The cabbage scale is still down. So this means that the 2 peas and the potato are lighter than the cabbage. Cabbage is heavier than the 2 peas and the potato. What do you think, friends? Which all vegetables would be heavier than the cabbage? Hey, look at this. The bottle gourd is getting ready to climb the scale. The 2 peas got down and the bottle gourd climbed up the scale. Oh wow! As soon as the bottle gourd climbed up, the scale of the cabbage has also moved up. So here, the cabbage is lighter than the potato and the bottle gourd. The potato and the bottle gourd are heavier than the cabbage. Friends, do you know how both the scales of this simple balance will become equal? Come, let's see. When the bottle gourd climbed down the scale, the potato went up, which means it became lighter, and the cabbage scale went down, which means it has become heavier. Now these 2 peas and the carrot have climbed up with the potato. Now look, how are the 2 scales? Neither up nor down. Now the simple balance has equal weight on both sides, which means both the scales are balanced equally. So here the carrot, 2 peas and potato's weight is equal to the cabbage. Come, let's see that which vegetable is light and which one is heavy without using the simple balance. Look, this is peas and this is a carrot. Which one is heavy and which one is light? Carrot is heavier than peas. Therefore, carrot is heavy and peas is light. Look, this is potato and this is a bottle gourd. Which one is light and which one is heavy? The potato is lighter than the bottle gourd in weight. Therefore, the potato is light and the bottle gourd is heavy. So, my dear friends, today we learned to identify heavy and light objects by using the simple balance. In the next video, with the help of some more examples, we will understand what is heavy and what is light. Friends, in the previous video, we understood which one was heavy and which one was light by comparing the vegetables with the simple balance in Ramu uncle's farm. Today, along with Chuchu, Bunny and Gajanan, we will learn what is heavy and what is light. Who can lift how much weight? All of these with the help of some examples. Friends, Bunny and Chuchu are going on a trip with Gajanan. Look, this is their luggage. Can you tell me which among these bags can Chuchu lift? Yes, Chuchu can lift the smallest and lightest bag. Chuchu has taken his bag. Now these two bags remain. So now tell me which bag among these belongs to Bunny and which one is Gajanan's bag? Yes, you said it right. This bag seems very heavy and Bunny can't lift it. Therefore, we can say that the smaller one among these bags is Bunny's, because it is lighter than the bigger one. The one bag that remains and is heaviest belongs to Gajanan, because among these three, only Gajanan can lift such a heavy bag. So here are the three with their respective bags. Here Chuchu's bag is the lightest and Gajanan's bag is the heaviest. Friends, come now, let's see what they have taken as their food items. Look, here is a bunch of bananas, a basket of carrots and some cherries. Now tell me, what all can Gajanan lift in one go? Yes, Gajanan can lift all three. The bunch of bananas, basket of carrots and cherries all at once. Do you think Bunny can also lift these three things all at once? No. Bunny can only lift the carrot basket and cherries in one go. He cannot lift the banana bunch because the banana bunch is heavy. Now tell me, which among these can Chuchu lift? Yes, for Chuchu, both the banana bunch and the carrot basket are heavy. So Chuchu can only lift cherries because cherries are light. So, dear friends, today with the help of few examples, we understood what is heavy and what is light and who can lift how much of weight. In the next video, we will learn more about heavy and light objects with the help of interesting examples. Friends, in the previous video, we understood if the objects are heavy or light and who can lift how much weight. Come with me. Let's see what the potato is doing.
Oof. Oh.
Hey, potato, what happened? Why are you sweating so much?
Tingu, I was trying to lift these wood pieces lying on the middle of the road and keeping them aside. But I am not able to lift this piece of wood.
Potato, this big wooden piece is heavy. Look at this now. This is smaller in size and is light in weight. You will be able to lift it.
Oh, so big things are heavy in weight and small things are light in weight, isn't it?
No, potato, it is not like that. Yes, so friends, today we will understand if objects are heavy or light with the help of some interesting examples. Potato, see, this is a balloon and this is a cricket ball. Which among these can you lift with a lot of ease?
I will be able to lift this balloon.
Hey, but this balloon is bigger than the cricket ball and the cricket ball is smaller than the balloon.
Yes, but this balloon is lighter in weight than the cricket ball, and the cricket ball is heavier in weight than the balloon.
Rightly said, Potato. Now do you understand? Even small objects can be heavier than the big objects because the heaviness of an object depends on its weight.
Yes, Tingu, I understood now.
Come, I will help you in lifting this big wooden piece. We both can hold it together and keep it aside.
Thank you, Tingu.
Welcome. Friends, today we understood whether things are heavy or light through an interesting example. In the next video, we will understand about vessels and their capacity.